now that I know you're hurt and you can't let go. It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
All right, you guys, we need to sit down and have a chat. Because obviously by the thumbnail of this video, you know what's up. I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. I just got out of clinical at school today. As you can tell, I'm not looking super hot, but I have put off filming this part of the video for so long. Every single comment on my Instagram and on YouTube, literally everywhere, DMs is like, are you still moving? I am moving out tomorrow. I thought I would sit down for a second and explain to you kind of the background of like what's going through my head and why this decision was made. I literally love living here so much. The area is so perfect. It's very safe. So many pluses. Like, I really am gonna be sad to say goodbye to literally my first solo apartment. You know, there's a lot of growth that happened here, and I feel like I really became like my best self here. So it is really hard to say goodbye to it, but my rent is really expensive here. With utilities and everything, I pay like close to $2,000 a month. That is a lot of money. You guys know my school costs $78,000 and I have already taken out student loans, and it's hard. Like, you have to come up with this huge amount of money in a period of a year and a half. Like, it's literally insane. So the first reason I'm moving out is really just like a practical monetary value savings. I need to go live at my parents' house where I can have dinner for free and I don't have to pay for common area electricity and sewage and lighting. Again, just want to like thank you so much for following along my journey, because I seriously would not be able to go to school if it weren't for you guys. Like, I really don't know what I'd be able to do, and paying for your education by yourself is a lot. And if you guys are doing that right now, props to you. That's reason number one. Reason number two is I feel like I need to get a little bit closer to school eventually. I don't live terribly far away from my school, but it's like enough of a drive that there has been so many accidents in the past couple of weeks that I have like literally have to leave like an hour before school starts to make it there on time. My parents' house is even farther away from school, so that's gonna be a little bit of a bummer. Like, it's gonna take me even longer to get to school, but I think my next move is going to be a little bit closer to my school. Reason number three is that I pay a lot of money for this apartment, which doesn't have like any other amenities. So during COVID, I obviously like didn't miss out on anything. I don't have a gym. I don't have like any common areas besides a lobby. I really wanted access to more amenities for how much I pay here, and they were gonna raise my rent as well. So it was just gonna become ridiculously expensive for not getting like anything else included. So basically my plan is to move home and live with my parents for a period of time. How long that is, I don't really know. Honestly, if I had to place a guesstimate on it right now, I'm gonna say 4 months. Like, I'm trying to make it to 4 months. As much as I love my parents and I'm so crazy grateful that they're letting me move back into their home, it's gonna be really a challenge for me. Sometimes you go home and you feel like you are resorting back to your high school self. I guess I'm worried about my productivity levels there. I'm gonna try to stay home as long as I can, because that means saving as much as I can. You guys are gonna be along for the ride and we'll see what happens. There's definitely a ton of perks to living at home, and I'm excited to spend this time with my parents. And a part of me also feels like this is normal because I'm kind of used to like coming home from college in the summer and living with them and having like my busy schedule so much that I'm honestly not even home that much. Tonight is the last night in my apartment. It is Wednesday, June 30th. So tomorrow I'm basically gonna pack up all my stuff, and then I'm going to move like all of my stuff to live at my parents and start sleeping there tomorrow night. And yeah, a lot of my furniture will just kind of chill in here, and then we'll slowly start like in the coming weeks getting the storage unit set up, moving the furniture, cleaning this place. So this is definitely not like the last video in my apartment that you guys will see. I am going to be packing and filming all the good stuff. This is the last of it intact. My parents are bringing over bins and some suitcases and the classic packing stuff that I typically need to get all my life together. My friend Leah's coming over tomorrow and we are gonna pack this place up. She's so organized and I'm really grateful to have her to help me, because honestly, like, I don't want to think about it. Oh my god, I'm just laughing right now because I think there's coffee on my window. Now I can show you guys because I'm moving. This is the view outside of my apartment. I'm gonna be emo for a sec because I feel like I need to process this, and yeah.
Give up, just hold on tight, it'll be alright. heading on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back of my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there.
Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. It's officially moving day one. I am starting the packing process right now. My friend Leah is on her way. She's gonna help me pack up my kitchen. I'm so grateful to have her here. My first task is basically to take everything in my closet and take what I want to have at my parents' house and pack it up. And once I have like all of the needed stuff, then everything else will end up going straight to my next apartment. My dad is getting bubble wrap right now so we can use it to pack up the kitchen stuff. So I want to get like some stuff ready that he can just take directly home. Cue the time lapse. I'm listening to music, trying to pump myself up.
I spend most of my time viewing what I want from the outside. I comb it over like it's the scene of a crime. The only guilty I find staring back at me in the mirror at night, stuck in place, just waiting for a green light.
Alright guys, little update here. We have been very productive. I cleared out all of the stuff basically that I'm taking to my parents' house, besides all my hanging clothes, which I'm just gonna put in my car. Also, I still had my GS skis under my bed. Those have been in there for a while. They also are making me emo, so I need to not look at them because I miss skiing. My dad and Leah are both about to arrive any second, but this is all the stuff that I've gathered so far. I also need food really bad, and I might get them food for helping me out. Oh, Doug is here. I have never tried this trick with my away stuff where I can like put it on the top of it. Oh, that is literally amazing. Okay, so I'm taking that. I'm not gonna be able to take this in one trip. Okay, we're gonna figure this out.
That I found it's blending in.
Essential.
Pretty comfy shoes.
Things go wrong.
All right, got some stuff out of here. That's crazy. You guys, Leah's here. Thank God. We're gonna get a bagel sandwich. Let's order it now. I guess I can tell people where I live now since I'm leaving. This is my neighborhood, Multnomah Village. My little big burger that I go to all the time. We're walking to Spielman's, so everyone always asks me like, where do you get your bagel sandwiches? They're from Spielman's. We tried to order online just now and it would not let us. I love living here. I can always come back. I have to tell myself that.
But I keep asking for permission.
You know we couldn't do move out day without the bagel sandwiches. We conquered, we got the matcha. This is the little rooftop, so this is the only amenity that I have access to. This is actually in the other building. I like coming up here. I just told Leah, I'm like, I'm about to downgrade so hard. Queen Leah is taking over the kitchen. All of this stuff. Perfect. Oh, I have more back there. Also, what do I do with this onion and garlic? Like, I feel like I can't waste it. I guess I'll bring it home.
What else to say? I can live my
Time to purge some sauces. We needed like a new bin for the food, I think. Yeah. Because okay, and also I have all of the OXO containers with the dry food. Oh! I know. Vegetable oil. Oh, that was a 2020 expiration.
It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday.
Leah and I are running out of bins, but the kitchen is pretty much all empty.
You'll never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real.
You guys, the place officially is starting to look empty. We took down pretty much all of the decor in the living room, emptied out this bin, we filled this decor bin, Leah's working on filling that decor bin. Kitchen is packed, that's literally my kitchen in 6 boxes. This is the bathroom in 2 bins. And now we are getting started on the bedroom. I'm gonna take down these twinkle lights. I might need to go home and get like some more bins because I know I have like half empty bins. So we'll see where we get. But first, I'm about to get the lights.
Back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time. No cap, no lies. It's our encore. Bring it right back to me.
We are taking a first load of the clothes back to my house. Leah's gonna do a little Goodwill run for me, and we might need to get more bins. I feel like it'll be less overwhelming because my room at home is so small that if we take everything all at once, we're not gonna be able to have like any space to work and we'll be so unmotivated. This is a good start. So apparently my mom has been sleeping in my room, so all of my bedding is like in the loft. This place is a mess. I think I got something very exciting in the mail, so we're gonna open it today. It is from Barack and Michelle Obama. It says to Kiara Madisen. I feel like I need to save this. One sec, I'm gonna get something. So if you guys didn't know, I was in Michelle's Better Make Room campaign. She sent me a thank you note. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. I need to frame this. It says, "Dear Kiara, thank you so much for joining me for College Signing Day hosted by Reach Higher. I appreciate you taking the time out of your busy schedule to celebrate students making the decision to continue their education after high school. Sincerely, Michelle Obama." The real signature. She sends it with the cardboard back so it doesn't get bent. I am gonna try to pull my room together. Leah is dropping some stuff off at Goodwill and then she's gonna meet me here. I have my Christmas decor out still, so I'm gonna go put that away and like try to get my life in order. You guys think my closet is big, but like look at Leah in here, okay? It's really small. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, it's Katie. What's up?
Hi, I was just wondering how it was going.
I just found a memory box of my childhood and I came across this. I forget who I was just telling about this. I tried to break a world record when I was in 5th and 6th grade of like largest gum wrapper ball. So this is how far I got, and I used to have bins in every single 5th, 6th grade class because you had to be in 5th and 6th grade to chew gum, collecting the wrappers, and then I'd sit inside during recess because I got to this point where I'd have to glue them on because it's so big. So I don't know, I actually had recently checked this record and someone has beaten me, but if I restart it, which I could, I got a really good start to that. Oh, I found this in the lake.
And you
this
kept
iPod.
it.
Yeah, I mean, that's iconic. You have to keep stuff like that. Oh. All right, we went through the absolute top shelf up there, and I put like a bunch of old boots that I don't need. So now we have a little bit more room to put the shoes, but basically the problem is we're combining 2 closets, and it's very challenging.
These Jesus sandals?
Yes. This is what it's like to move back into a 1929 house. Really cute and great, but there's minimal closet space. And my mom has 4 closets, my dad has half of a closet, and I have this 1 closet. Oh my God, I should probably get rid of these, but dude,
your toe
they're
thongs.
oh my God. I swear to God, I still wear these. These are my jazz shoes. They're really great, and I have my toe undies from back when I was a dancer in 8th grade. Let's see if I can do a double. Lights on. 2, 1, 2. Oh, I did it! I can't even spot anymore. This is ridiculous. All right, I'm gonna continue emptying this suitcase while Leah puts away my shoes. Leah and I are back in the apartment. We got 2 more bins. I guess we gotta get the plaque off the wall. Oh, good.
Is there some kind of like ceremony?
There is no ceremony, Fred. Because there is ceremony.
Every day's that make this go away. I'm looking at your face, but you just turn the other way. I know it's not just ordinary people who would sympathize. I know it's not just ordinary.
You guys, Leah and I are gonna end this video. This is part 1 of the moving. This is not goodbye to the apartment. We are very tired. This is our pile. How much we did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Today's question of the day is going to be, how many times have you moved in your life? I have moved to my dorm, to my sorority, to my apartment, and then like mini moves in between, but I don't count those. And then to this apartment 4 times. And technically when I was 2, but I don't remember that, so I don't count that. All right, I love you guys, and stay tuned for another moving vlog coming very soon. Bye.
I mean, you know I ain't lying, 'cause I hate wasting time. You said